Safety Cloud by Haas Alert is a collision prevention service that connects and protects road workers. Here's how it works. When a vehicle turns on its emergency lights, Safety Cloud broadcasts digital alerts to approaching vehicles in infotainment centers and navigation applications. Safety Cloud alerts give drivers more time to slow down and move over and can reduce collision risk by up to 90%. Trusted by public safety, towing professionals, and road workers nationwide, Safety Cloud connects emergency personnel to the road around them. Safety Cloud by Haas Alert. When you're on the road, we've got your back.
Hello, my name is Lee Roberts. I'm the president of Roberts Heavy Duty Towing in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm also on the board of directors at the Towing Museum in Chattanooga. I'm the co-chair of the Survivor Fund. And that is one of the reasons that I am using the Haas system. I feel it is the only system out there that will actually tell the public that we are sitting on the side of the road and hopefully save some lives.
Hey, good afternoon. I'm James Jennings, owner of Emerald Transportation Corporation in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm also on the board of the Towing Museum in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and also on the board of the Towing Recovery Association of America. I have not found a better product, a better option today than Haas Alert. I feel it is the best product out there to help protect my drivers when we're out there on the highway. We're receiving thousands of notices from our trucks to motorists each and every month. I believe we're up in the neighborhood of over 100,000 in just the past 7 months that we've been with Haas Alert. But it's a great option. It's a great tool. The more vehicles that are out there, the more connected vehicles that are out on the highways, as you know, is going to be a benefit to all of us. We've tried the other options, manual options, I like to say, but now we're going with technology, and I think technology is our best option.
Hi, I'm Bill Graziano from O'Hare Towing out of Chicago, and I'm here to talk about Haas system that I have put in my fleet fairly recently. And what I'd like to kind of spread the word about is that I think as a responsible owner of a towing and recovery service that is close to being in our 60th year of being in business, as an owner, Mercy and I feel that we should do everything in our power to keep our people safe. Anything and everything. If that means different colored trucks or fancier lights or whatever we could possibly do to make that happen. And one of the things that really makes sense to us is Haas Alert system. It's a no-brainer.
I'm Tom Tedford, the Chief Operating Officer of Guardian Fleet Services, the nation's largest towing company based out of Florida. I can tell you first and foremost that when we looked at Haas, it was important to us to implement it in our fleet for a number of reasons. First and foremost being to protect our most important asset, and that's our operators on the side of the road. In the first month of operation, with implementation in just 20% of our fleet, the system has sent over 130,000 alerts out to approaching motorists when our trucks are operating at the scene of an incident or disablement on the roadway. And that's important to us to try and make sure that they come home safely on a daily basis. And both they appreciate it and the first responders appreciate it that deal with us. And I'd strongly recommend anybody to invest in the product. It's less than a full cup of coffee a day from Starbucks per truck to have this in your fleet for a month and be able to share safety as a culture with not just your operators, but the passing motorists on the freeway.
Hi, my name is Mike Porter. I'm CEO of Speeds Towing and owner of Newhouse Towing, also a board member at the International Towing Hall of Fame Museum. We've been using Haas now for, I think, almost a year. And the reason why we started with Haas, quite honestly, is, I believe you got to put your money where your mouth is. And we believe in safety. And I believe last year we lost 51 towers, drivers, and so it just seemed to me that all the lights, the vests and all that, although are great, I wanted something more. And so we went to Haas that allows us to notify drivers that we are on the side of the road It's an audible noise. It tells them that Newhouse or Speeds Towing is there. And we just believe that our people are worth that small investment, and it is a small investment that allows them to be just a little bit more safe and get people out of their own bubbles and hopefully save a life. And if you're not with Haas, you seriously need to take a look at it. Our drivers, our employees are the most important part of our business, and we need to keep them safe.
Hello, my name is John Kupchin. I'm the owner of Santa Fe Tow Service out of Kansas City. The main reason we use the Haas Alert is for the safety of our employees and our equipment. One of our slogans is that everyone makes it home safe, not just our drivers, but our customers. And the main reason you should use Haas Alert is because if you care about your employees and your equipment, you will have this installed